Hey food lovers, welcome back to the Food for Life channel, the place where we bring your sweetest cravings to life. Today, we've got a recipe that's gonna blow your mind. Dubai viral chocolate is made with the perfect combo of kunafa, pistachio cream, and rich pound baking chocolate. It's the dessert you never knew you needed, but will absolutely crave once you try it. This dessert isn't just food, it's an experience you'll savor with every bite. But hey, before we dive in, if you're already feeling hungry, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. You won't want to miss the deliciousness we're about to create. Alright, let's get started. Start by melting some chocolate until it's silky and smooth. And some white chocolate as well. Pour the white chocolate first, and then milk chocolate into a chocolate mold. Let it rest in the refrigerator or freezer for about 2 hours, or until hardened. Until then, let's take care of kunafa. Take your kunafa and bake over medium heat until it's light golden and crispy. Once it's perfectly crispy, spread that smooth, luxurious pistachio cream over it. And I mean, generously, don't hold back. Once the mixture is ready, let it cool down for a little bit. Take out the chocolate from refrigerator and spread the mixture over the chocolate. Then, pour that melted chocolate all over the top, letting it cover the kunafa and pistachio cream in a gooey, chocolatey blanket. Smooth the surface like so. Pop this beauty in the fridge for a little while, and soon enough, you'll have a rich, decadent dessert that combines the crunchiness of kunafa with the creaminess of pistachio and that irresistible chocolate layer. It's everything you crave in one bite. So if you're already dreaming about this mouth-watering treat, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our craving-worthy recipes. Hit the bell so you're the first to know when we release new videos. Thanks for cooking with us, and we'll see you next time with more delicious desserts here on Food for Life.
Like and subscribe.